Hi, my name is Kabalashu Raj,
I'm Pratik Hanmapanahali.
I'm Super Thick Panaganti.
and this is our submission for FBLA Mobile App Development 2023-2024. Welcome to PortfoliU, our cross-platform mobile app that enables students to share their academic and extracurricular experiences with others.
Our vision and project requirements are to provide a safe space for students to manage their academic portfolio, track their extracurricular activity, integrate with other education institutes, and network and collaborate with other students.
On the left, you can see our PortfoliU logo. Our tree represents connection and growth, the blue represents intelligence and stability, and the green represents growth and abundance. We use this logo and its colors all throughout our app.
In the planning process for this app, we use a lean software production model. By implementing this model, we are able to effectively manage our time by eliminating waste and optimizing the product while keeping the team motivated. Furthermore, we use Google Calendar and a Kanban board to avoid work imbalances and set deadlines for different components of the app. Following the principles of lean, we held meetings every 3 days to discuss the successes and challenges we had with the app.
This is our planning document. This was our project overview. This gives information on how to run the app, including database and web server setup. These are the build instructions. These were the project requirements we had to meet. This was our planning process. These are the app pages that we developed for the user. And this is instructions on how to use the app, along with this development timeline. This is our README with a short introduction, an overview of our features, an overview of our folder layout, information on how to run the program, build instructions, licensing, and sources.
Upon opening the app, the first page this application loads into is a login page. This page allows users to enter their previously created username and password. If both their username and password match, the application will direct the user to the View Post page.
If users are using the application for the first time, they can click the Register Here link at the bottom of the login page. This button will redirect them to the sign up page.
On this page, users create their username and password. For protection purposes, users have a set of conditions they have to follow when creating a password. The password must be at least 6 characters long, contain 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 digit, and 1 special character. After a user creates a username and password, they are met with a user details form where they fill out their personal information, including their name, email address, school name, expected graduation date, and profile picture.
As you can see here, the user is first met with the login page. Since they don't have an account, they can click Register Here. Then they can create their username, which must contain only numbers and lowercase letters. So then the username creates their password, which has to meet this set of requirements. Then they have to confirm their password, and if they don't match, they can't register. After registering, they input information about themselves. After filling out the user's details form, the user can click Submit, and they're met with the homepage. This homepage gives a brief overview of who we are, including our key features and information about how to get started and to use the app.
As shown by SuperTick, the user details form allows them to reset their account or edit their user information.
Next, there is a feed page where users can see other students they may be connected with are doing. There is also a search bar at the top where students can search for other students and see their posts as well. Here, the users also have the opportunity to like, comment, share, and save posts, which allow them to further interact and connect with other students.
As you can see here, once the student goes to the View Post page, they can see posts from all their other classmates. They can also search the posts to find specific posts that they want to see. Another feature that they have is to like a post, favorite a post. They can comment on a post, and they can also share the post. These are all of the features that the user has on the View Post page.
In order to showcase their academic achievements and extracurricular activities, students can navigate to the Create Post page. The Create Post page allows users to select their desired categories and post them. This feature is present so that students can pick and choose the specific categories they want to display to the public. Once the user clicks their desired categories, the application will allow them to write a description underneath each selected category. The user also has the option to add an image to their post. When the post is submitted, the user's name, school name, and profile picture will be at the top.
As you can see here, once the student goes to the Create Post tab, they can choose out of these topics which post they want to make one about. So now for the content, they can say one first at a swim meet. Then after they click the submit button, they can see this post show up.
The My Post page serves as a hub for users to effortlessly manage and revisit their previously published content. This feature provides users with the ability to seamlessly engage with their past posts, providing a convenient and organized space for editing or removing content.
As you can see here, once the student goes to the My Post page, they can see all of their posts and they can search and filter through their posts, along with seeing past comments and likes.
Some additional features we included in our app were the report a bug feature, as you can see at the bottom. So using the report a bug feature, the users can submit a bug issue to the developers, which then we can fix. Okay, at the footer, next to the report a bug button, you can also see that there are links to popular social networking sites like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. On these social networking sites, the users can also share their posts there as well. For our app, we also use the MIT license as shown in a README doc.
For our program, we used a MySQL database through phpMyAdmin. Here, we have a bug report table to show the bugs along with the title and description and status so we can change it once we fix it, and also the time that is reported at. The login details for the students that encrypts their password, all of the posts in the database and everyone that's been posting, along with the times that they've created it at, all of the post categories that a student can post at, all of the students in our school, and all of the students' posts. This is the code for our login page, which includes many if-else statements to check that the user's username is valid. This is the sign-up page, and this includes all the information along with the checks to make sure that the user is correctly registered into our database. And this is when they input their information. It checks it and it cleans all the data to make sure that it's correct. This is the view post page where the student can view other posts and search and filter for their specified posts. This is the create post page where the student can create his posts. This is the my post page where the user can view all of their posts along with the analytics on the post. And this is the bug report page where the student can submit a claim about a bug in the program. And all of these were created using HTML, CSS, PHP, and a little bit of JavaScript. Thank you for viewing our presentation.
Thank you.